If your iPhone's touch screen is not working properly after an iOS update, then it can be frustrating. So in today's video, we are here with some troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve this issue. So the first one is restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears and drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for a device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. After that, make sure to clean the screen and your hands. Ensure that your iPhone screen is clean and free from any dirt, dust or moisture. Also make sure your hands are clean and dry when using the touchscreen, as moisture or residue on your fingers can affect touch responsiveness. Now after that, go back to the Settings app on your mobile device. Now inside the Settings app, look for the accessibility option available there by scrolling down. Then tap on the touch option available there. After you tap on the touch, you'll get to see the haptics option available. Now inside haptics, make sure that your check mark is right next to the default. Haptic refers to the technology of tactile feedback in electronic devices, particularly in smartphones and other touch-enabled devices. It involves the use of vibration or other types of tactile sensations to provide feedbacks to users, enhancing their interaction and experience with the device. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.